Today we're going to be talking about BuildSpace. BuildSpace is a platform where you can start engaging and having a project-based course at your disposal to learn some of the most cutting-edge things. For example, AR, crypto, all those things. And I just want to spend a few moments to talk about it because I'm taking some of their courses. I think this is really interesting. And although it's not in the no-code space, it still takes some development. You still have to code. I think this is something to really take hold of and look at because this is exactly what I was looking for years ago. So let's get into it. If you go to buildspace.so, you can get all of the details here and get early access, but you can learn a bunch of different project-based courses. For example, build a personalized Twitch dashboard using Twitch API and Next.js, build a Pokemon NFT trading center using Ethereum smart contracts and Solidity, build out your own mini version of the Tesla Autopilot program using the AWS ML, so machine learning API, and it goes on and on. There's just so many interesting things with BuildSpace, and I've taken 2 of their courses so far. I've really been impressed by them. And you can start for free. So there's going to be a link down below for you to take a look at them if you're interested or want to try something out. But I want to talk about why I think this is really unique as well, because when you're trying to learn different platforms, if it no code or code, a lot of times it's just so boring. The tutorials are really hard to get through. And what I liked about BuildSpace, they were really chill. The instructors, the live courses were on Twitch, so you could watch them live, and they were almost like a hangout session. And then you were taken to your course, and then there are short lessons, less than 10 minutes to start implementing. Now, for me, it took me longer than 5 or 10 minutes, but that's because the learning curve is a lot higher and I need to learn certain things. But I liked how it was broken down. It made you feel accomplished. Community was really great. And also too, they have a Discord community where people are answering your questions as you went through the course. And it was 2 weeks, really digestible. And it didn't feel like such a commitment that there was no way that I could finish. It was 2 weeks and then you're done. So I wanted to bring this up because this is just something that I'm really interested in, having different types of education available. And again, to get started, this is free. So if you're interested in learning different things about code or interesting projects, take a look at buildspace.so. And I'm going to be also on my secondary channel. That's where we're either coding or doing something else. I'll be talking a lot more about BuildSpace, but I wanted to put this on the main channel so you know if you didn't hear about the second channel, you take a look at that. But that's where I'm working on a lot of smart contracts, learning more about coding and seeing what I can learn and accomplish as well. So if you're interested, make sure you check out buildspace.so. And if you're interested in what I'm learning about coding and those kind of things, check out the second channel. If you have any questions, make sure in the comment section down below, let me know if this is something that you're interested in. If you like hearing about the different courses that I'm taking, all of those things, I would share them more with the community. If you like this kind of video, make sure you like and subscribe, all those good things. We do this every single week. We're talking about building businesses, learning new things. I'll see you in the next video.